Hi, I'm Janessa. I'm a teaching artist here at the Pérez Art Museum, Miami. And today we're going to be doing an art making activity inspired by George Segal. George Segal's sculpture behind me is titled Abraham's Farewell to Ishmael. It is a beautiful sculpture that really commemorates family and emotion. Some of the materials we'll need today are markers, colored pencils, crayons, scissors, posterboard or cardboard, aluminum foil, and tape, colored or clear. So to honor this sculptural work, today we're gonna create little sculptures of our own, little figurines out of aluminum foil. So the first thing I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna wanna go ahead and pull out some sheets of aluminum foil to work with. Then I wanna go ahead and start rolling them up together to try to make a figure. So for the top of my body, and I want to think about what a person looks like. Maybe from here, I'll cut this into a piece here and think about some legs. And remember, our sculpture, we're just constantly moving and messing with it around, so that way we can get different shapes. Now that I have kind of like a body going here with two legs, I can cut other pieces to add on. Maybe here, this will be my arms. And as I'm creating my piece, I'm just keeping in mind that if I do need tape, it's here to hold my piece in place. All right. Now I have my arms, my legs, and the middle of my body. So now I want to work on the head. Bringing the arms up, making my head. And again, using tape, this time I'm using clear, where I think I might need it. Now once I have my sculpture looking the way that I want it to, I can go ahead and start playing with his position of his body or her body. Once I have a pose that I like, I can go ahead and again grab my tape. This time I will grab the green. And I'm gonna get a couple of pieces together. And I can go ahead and tape down my sculpture on to my poster board or cardboard, whichever one I have. You can also tape your person or your figurine sculpture onto a paper plate if that's something that you have more available to you. Then I want to start playing around with his shadow. So I'm going to start going ahead and looking at the light in the room and see if I can pick up his shadow. So I see a little bit of a shadow here, and with that, I want to take my pencil and maybe outline the shadow. So not only is my figure creating a cool pose standing, but he's also, or she is also, creating a shadow beneath that I can trace and fill in. And just like our body language, our figurines can be put in so many different positions to express the emotions that we might be feeling, or maybe how we think others might be feeling. And there you guys have it, a beautiful aluminum figurine sculpture inspired by George Segal.